Now, did we make your purchase easy to understand, as solar is very complicated, it's a long process? And did we make it easy for you to understand and answer your questions when you had them?
Yes. Paul, you amazing. I mean, I still to this day call you for questions. You know, it has been I got them like in December, and I still call you. Paul, what's going on? What's this? Yes, it was really easy. The way you showed me the application, you sent me. You showed me different ways and told me everything that I needed to know, and any question I had, you was answering.
When you solo with Walker Power, you solo with family. And check out our monthly specials. WalkerPower.energy/products/special-offer. Plus, get 30-day money-back guarantee when financed. For more information, 908-377-1391 or Paul Walker at WalkerPower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.energy.